Million GE dishwashers are under recall tonight. The company says that they could overheat and catch fire. In fact, GE says if your dishwasher is running right now, stop it immediately. Jennifer Lukey explains what you should do next.
GE says a heating element in the recalled dishwashers is unsafe. So far, the issue has caused 7 house fires, 3 of which have resulted in major damage. The recall involves GE, GE Adora, GE Eterna, GE Profile, and Hotpoint brand dishwashers. They were sold in black, white, bisque, and stainless steel between March of 2006 and August of 2009 for between $350 and $800.
You can find the model and serial number of your dishwasher by opening the door and checking on the side left-hand wall.
If you've got one of the impacted models, stop using it right away. Disconnect the electric supply and call GE. The company is offering free in-home repair, or if you want to just replace it, GE will give you either a $75 or a $100 rebate based on which new model you choose.
If you're opting to get your dishwasher repaired, you may be washing by hand for a while. GE only allows its own certified repairman to make the fix, and with 1 million plus people impacted, the line is bound to get backed up.
The company is promising to get to each of the impacted dishwashers within 30 days, but in the meantime, they warn not to use it under any circumstances. In Albany, Jennifer Lukey, CBS 6 News.
And for more information about the recall and the complete